This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, clear workspace, put on gloves, and remove the lid and stopper gently so you don't stretch the gasket. Once removed, inspect the stopper and seal for cuts, hardening, or compression set. These are the most common failures. Use a small pick to lift a stuck gasket slowly and keep screws and parts organized in order. Take a photo of how parts sit. This prevents reassembly errors later and makes it obvious whether the vacuum wall is dented or the seal is the culprit. You'll address the middle, the gasket and inner wall. First, test the stopper fit. If it compresses unevenly, replace the gasket with a matching diameter and thickness. Make sure it seats uniformly so heat transfer is minimized. If you find hairline cracks in the inner liner, clean thoroughly with alcohol, roughen with fine grit, and apply metal-safe epoxy, then clamp to maintain alignment. Once cured, smooth excess so the stopper can seal. Make sure not to glue the vacuum space or obstruct the mouthpiece. You finish by reassembling carefully. Place the gasket in its groove, push the stopper home evenly, and hand tighten the lid. Don't over-torque, which can deform seals. Once assembled, pour 90-95 degrees C hot water and let sit for 2-4 hours, then check temperature drop. A normal small decline is expected, but rapid cooling indicates vacuum loss. If you detect leaks or poor retention, repeat the inspection steps. One key troubleshooting tip: if the inner liner is silver mottled,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.